Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use text brush in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to use text brush in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account. And then in the search bar, just type what you are looking for or the size you are looking for. For example, Facebook or Instagram post. I can choose, for example, YouTube thumbnail. I have it already here, YouTube thumbnail. And then just click here and choose the background color. Okay, for example here, and then go to text and then add a heading and then type brush. Now just increase the size. After that, go to the font and here you can type brush, and you see here you have many different styles of brush. Regular brush, here thin, sense brush, and this one sense brush, flora, caveat brush, okay, for example we go with this one, or here this one, then just increase the size. Let's change the text color to white. Yeah, and then when you are happy with that, just go to share and then download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to use text brush in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.